What's going on, man?
What's up? Why are they calling you off arrest you?
You're causing an issue.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm watching my shit.
Heard you were screaming and yelling and causing an issue.
Well, come over here and fucking take it on.
You do, man. You try to
look, you know what? Customers. You know what? The machines, I spend all kinds of money. That's what me. I'm the best.
I'm trying to say, leave alone the customer. You throw away models on the top of the
You
key.
trespass. You trespass.
Why?
Because, I don't know,
He got the bottle here.
You display, they don't... Okay, well, you gotta go find another laundry. Apparently he doesn't want your business.
Alright. You should have came up and told me, man.
Well, I don't know. I mean, I think he tried to ask you...
Come on, man, I've been nice as shit. I don't want on shit. I respect shit, but I don't want this motherfucker saying, this motherfucker owes me money, all the machines that are broken and shit.
Okay, well,
when you pay me the money that you owe me. Right now.
It's not happening.
You owe me.
Hey.
All right. Look,
Okay, now we go to jail because you're being stupid. Now we get arrested because we're being a nuisance.
Yeah. Come on, who's taking my
No, we're not breaking anything.
Man.
That was a very terrible decision on your part, sir.
What did I do?
You didn't do what we asked, and we asked you to leave.
banging
on things and all of that.
That's probably because you've been drinking too much.
No breaks. Zero breaks.
Yeah.
You've been nice this whole time.
I've been nice this whole fucking time.
No, you haven't.
Let's go. Right?
Okay, follow this
Hey,
officer,
quit
please.
being tough, bro.
We're not being tough, sir. You're just not.
Look, bro. Just because you're big, I'm handcuffed the shit. What? What?
You're fine.
I was joking, bitch. What? Take me to.
That's where we're going.
No. For real, man.
We're going to jail.
I grew up, you took me out, no. I'm that shit, man.
Stand right here.
Take him right here.
Go ahead.
You're gonna
Come
fix
on, man.
What is
Quit doing that, bro. Come on, for real. I've got a bad.
Well,
I've
that's
had.
because you're resisting, so we're gonna hold
Come
you
on.
down now. So
I'm resisting. I'm resisting.
I'm
I've
holding you now.
had 4 spine surgeries.
Okay. Well, I
Take
don't know
me
your
back
medical
up.
history, sir. I just know
Straighten me
you're
out.
acting.
Straighten me out, bro.
Nah, you're good. You're fine.
Well, I don't know what to do.
Maybe you should lay off the sauce. You're doing that, son. There you go. Widen your stance.
So far, act tough, bitch. Well, hey.
You don't have a broken
I
spine.
don't have nothing. Well, really, I don't have just cold right now. No. I have surgery. Look at my neck.
I don't want to look at anything.
I don't want to. I'm doing shit. I know you're paying for shit here. That's my stuff.
I don't know who PRT is. Please go. Keep walking.
So, walk right.
You know how to walk, right?
Quit
Let you
acting.
walk right.
Quit pushing me up.
You're fine. We're broken in the car.
All right.
No part.
Get in the car, please.
Really? Why you not
Get in
gonna
the car. Let's go. Come on.
No. You know,
Stand it back up.
my steps.
All right, let's go. Get out of the car. Now sit in the car like a human being, please. I don't know your steps.
Let me step into it.
All right, go in the car.
Right.
Right now, please.
You know my steps.
Get in the
No,
car.
get in the car, please.
I didn't do nothing, man.
Chase
I'm dying to go to court. Just you don't accuse me of what? Man, bro, I'm not waiting for. You know my steps. Okay. Right. No fear. Y'all punk motherfucker.
He's out of control, you know, like I say.
Well, I know he was out of control here, but what else? What other behavior did he do?
He's get trouble by the bar over here with the kids was here. So I tell listen, calm down. Hey, you know he was drunk, so.
Okay, you have your ID, please.
I left my ID at home, so I don't know if I got it with.
Do you have any ID?
Yeah, I got a little bit sick with the cold too.
So there were kids in here.
Yes, yes.
Are you able to access your camera?
No, the camera doesn't work for now.
The cameras don't work in this? Okay, so there were kids in here and he was behaving.
Yeah. He's trying to.
What was he angry about? What was he upset
Maybe he
about?
was drunk.
He was just
Just
trying drunk.
Trying to call the, he's like a color lady here, so she tried, hey, like trying to. That's what I tried to tell him. Please calm down. Man. He said, ladies in here and kids, they listen to what you say. And he said, I don't about you. And he said, no, I'm saying I don't care with the kids in here. So.
Okay. All right. So, but why was he cursing? Do you know?
I don't know. He showed up somehow. I don't know. Maybe he was in the stores and buying something, and he stopped with the bottle. When I say, listen,
He
man,
brought that bottle with him,
yes.
and then he threw it.
Yeah. No, he drinking it all, a whole bottle.
He drank the whole bottle in here.
Yeah. So that's what I told him. Hey, I give you a few minutes, and you can drink in here, man. It's not a place to drink. Kids in here, customers in here. Say, I don't give a. Say, yeah.
Okay.
So they start calling, hey, the black lady was here, hey, black mama. We say, hey, listen, man, you can say that, man, like.
All right. Thank you.
All right, no, thank you, sir.
I appreciate it.
No.
Let's go. Out of the car.
What?
Out of the car.
I need a dental
It's fine.
and I'll charge. I will call.
That's fine.
I'm a nice guy. You all picked up the wrong motherfucker, man.
You haven't been too
I
nice to
didn't do
us.
shit. What?
You haven't been too nice to us.
I'm trying to be nice. What do you mean I've been nice with you guys? Bring it on, man. Don't put me. Let me get on my own.
Come on.
Please let me get on my own. I got spine surgery. I already said nothing against you guys and shit, man. Come on, I'm falling down. If I fall down,
That's why I'm
holding
holding
you.
you.
Intoxicated, sir.
Oh, you holding me what? Put me down. You gotta be in the suit, man.
What's that?
I'm fine in the suit.
All
I
right.
was to be here. You don't even know why am I being locked out? Why? For what charge? What charge is this? What?
Twice.
What? I'm being loud?
I'll tell you.
What? Because you ain't got a life?
Totally conflict of
Oh, whatever. Yeah, all right. Then I agree with that.
Well, now you
Yeah,
know.
I'm very disorderly right now because
You are.
look, you push him around like what?
It's because you're drunk and you're unstable.
Look,
What?
I'm not drunk.
You are drunk.
I'm talking to you guys like a man,
Yeah, I'm drunk.
bro.
Don't bro me. I'm not your bro. Nor will I ever be.
Whatever. I hope you're not my bro. 'Cause
I hope not to.
I'll go, I'll
You're a
kill you.
disgrace to me, sir. Okay.
What? Let's go.
Go away.
You a badass? I bet.
Please go.
Don't touch this, dude.
I don't want to.
Yo,
Sit down on the bench.
go ahead, jump with me,
Take a
bitch.
seat.
Yeah, I want him to jump with me. With my hands tied.
What's up, Bubba?
Any property? What?
Property? Yeah.
What's her name?
Just
I
fine.
don't know.
You're a pussy. You're a pussy punk.
So
You're not controlling her.
Hey,
no.
you're in their house now. They have tasers.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, you're stable.
Somebody
You can go offline. He's being turned over to county now.